Welcome! In front of me I have WITHINGS ScanWatch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch. Let's start by pressing and holding the side button. Press and hold it and keep holding it until you see the info menu on the screen. Once you see the info menu on the screen, you can release the button and then you can press it repeatedly until you see the factory reset option. And once you see the factory reset option, you will need to press and hold the side button to enter, like this. And now we need to confirm the reset by pressing the side button 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we need to wait until the factory reset is complete. And once you see the hello message and setup on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete, and that's how you factory reset this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.